This is Wednesday, and this is how it's starting. And I hope they can both get along. Hi. Hi. Hello. Yeah. Let's see who's here. Here. Hi. I know the injured deer was here as well. And oh, there's the crows. You see the 3 crows? There they are. Hi there. Hello. Hi. Hello. Hi, baby. Hi. Yeah. There's a lame deer, and I don't see it now. But these are young deer. Hi. Oh, there it is. Oh, look. There we go. This is what I'm worried about right here. What a shame. Hi. I don't think that's the mother deer that I've known for, I don't know. Yeah, probably. Looks young. I'm going to leave them alone. It's enough that they're dealing with. But everything's full. Face on it. Look. Are you going to be okay? Yeah, it's Wednesday. And, how are you doing, Mama? And you're behind me, huh? You realize you're going to be in our house, right? You realize you're going to be in our house? Look at this. Yeah. I know. We'll figure it out. We'll figure everything out, right? We'll figure it all out. With that pretty face. You got such a pretty face. There we go.